Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create color splash effects in Adobe Photoshop. Without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my model's image over here. So what I will do is I'll add a hue saturation. So click here and select hue saturation. Over here, click on the hand icon and pick a color from her dress. Once you're done, push the saturation all the way to the left. That will be -100. Left click and hold this side and then drag it to the right. Left click and hold this side again and also drag it to the white one so all the red color pops up. So something like this is okay. And then when you zoom in, you will see that the reds on her lips are showing, and then certain parts of her hand are also showing. The reds are also showing over here. So to correct that, just add the black and white layer. Press Ctrl I to invert. Now let's zoom in on her lips. Select your brush tool, then make sure the foreground color is white and paint with your brush tool. Let's do the same thing for the hand. So gently clean this side too as well. Now we've been able to create the color splash effect in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so guys, if you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.